Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be doing a Designrr Flipbook review. So, I have been using this tool, and they have this project here feature, where if I come here and just click on creating an ebook to be published as a flipbook, so you can basically flip the book in motion, and you would go ahead and like this PDF to be used as your baseline, so you can go ahead and either drag or drop your file or browse through your PC. I'll go ahead and drag and drop it real quick. Alright, check this out. I'll drag and drop this. Now it's currently uploading. Of course, you can also import using a link. Now let's wait for this to upload. Now you can choose a theme. For example, let's do business development and sales and blogging. You can choose multiple, right? You can even choose as many as you want. I'll click on next right here. And all you want to do is click on let's start. And as soon as this PDF is okay, here we go. Copy link to share. You can share this with someone. You can also go ahead and customize your flipbook, or you can go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. So this is what it looked like before, a normal PDF, right? And now we will have this as a flipbook. Honestly, it does their job in seconds, and it's really user friendly. And look at the quality. Amazing quality. You can hear the animation, the motion, everything, the sound. You can go and toggle this on or off, right? You can do multiple things. You can do full screen as well. Lot of features. You can go ahead and do this, see the whole timeline going on, and of course you can go ahead and play it, right? It'll start playing automatically, and I would say this is a really good feature. It's really easy and simple to use as well. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides, and I'll see you guys in the next one.